Good morning, everybody, and Merry Christmas.
Ho, 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 Merry Christmas.
Hey everyone, it is Misty.
Hi everybody, I'm Natalie.
Hi everyone, I'm Cherry.
I'm Al, Jenny's son.
Hey, this is Glennie.
Hey everybody, it's BJ, the doorbuster dude.
Hi, I'm Hillary. I'm Jenny's daughter, and we're some of the grandkids.
Can you believe it is already time for Jenny's countdown to Christmas?
You've seen this, the Jenny Box 2025.
Are you ready? Because I know I am. Let's do it.
Let's open her up.
Ooh, okay.
These are much beloved, these mugs.
Oh, and we've got a book of wrapping paper. Oh, okay, wait, that's so cool.
So what we've got here, it's a Mancala board. No, it's not. It's a Go board. No, it's not. It's a backgammon board. No, it's not. It's a charcuterie board.
I love a good zipper pouch, which I think most quilters do.
These are ceramic ornaments. Aren't those pretty?
So we've got a cute little pin magnet with like a suction cup in shape of a cat head. That's adorable.
You guys see that? They're little Missouri Star LED lights, which I might add would look amazing on my tree.
So it looks like we have a winter stardust puzzle. I love puzzles, especially this time of year, so this is gonna be so much fun to do with my family.
This is a novella by Hillary Doan Sperry. It's me. It's called Handmade Mysteries, and they are two super fun novellas.
It is a spinning tool caddy. I just love this so much.
Merry Christmas from everybody at the Missouri Star Quilt Company.
Merry Christmas! Happy holidays, everyone.
Have a happy Christmas.
I hope you guys are having the most wonderful holiday season, and we'll see you soon.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody.